Hi guys, welcome back to Awesome Sauce Prayer. Sorry that I haven't uploaded in a while. I've been working on my TikTok account, and today, if you can't tell, we are going to be making some clear glue slime. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. It's not going to be a big one. It's just going to be like about half of this bottle. Satisfying. Okay. It's just going to be a plain clear slime. I'm not going to add anything into it. Well, I might add some stuff to it. Okay, we'll do a little bit more. This should be enough. Yeah, this should be enough. As I said, I don't really want a big slime. So, okay. Now we're gonna add the magical glue. Ooh. Okay, hopefully this works. Should work. Okay, I'll put a little bit first. And let's mix with a fork. Ooh, it's already forming. Okay, I think we should add a little bit more. The hard thing about measuring this is that while you mix it, you don't want it to be sticky. So then you overactivate it, and then you ruin the slime, which is kind of sad. Okay. It's very cool though. I haven't made clear slime. Okay, so we're just gonna mix. We'll probably put a little bit more of magical glue, but now it's getting very bubbly. Okay, we'll add a little bit more, and then we should knead it. Okay. I'll update you in another video when this is set and when it's super clear. Because it takes about a couple of days for it to go fully clear after playing with it. Okay, should we knead it now? Probably should. Okay. Then you just knead it. Okay. I think we need a little bit more magical glue, slime, activator. Okay, that should probably be the last part of it. I recommend slowly putting activator in instead of just putting a bunch in. Okay, should be ready to knead now. Okay, let's knead. It will be much more clearer eventually, hopefully. I was hoping there would be more slime in this, but that's fine. Yeah, I think we need more activator. Okay. Now my activator bottle is full of glue. Okay. That's quite a lot. Okay. Ooh, this is the one, I think. Yeah. collecting on the fork and off the sides, which is a good sign. I had to put quite a lot of activator in here, to be honest. Okay. Remember, if you've enjoyed this video, please like, because it'll show that you enjoyed this video. Okay, now I can eat it, because it's actually slime, and sticky, but like, getting less sticky. I think I might have put a bit too much activator in this. Well, you can always do something to get rid of the rippiness. I put shampoo in one of my old slimes to make it more stretchy. It worked, but it'll make sure that this slime isn't clear because it's pink tinted. Ooh. Okay, this is quite good, to be honest. This is my first time ever making clear slime. I made slime before. Okay, I think it's coming together now. Okay. It's not sticking to my hands as much, which is good. I can get it off. Okay, I'll just knead it a couple more times. I might put a little bit more activator in it, like the smallest part. Okay, I'm going to put it back in the bowl now, so... Oh no, it's really sticky now. Okay. Oh no. Well, that's fine. Okay, now we need to get it off our hands so I can actually put more activator in it. Okay, there we go. That's good. The tiniest part ever. Maybe a little bit. Okay, wow. I've barely used any activator on this, to be honest. I love the bottle. Okay, hopefully this will make it less sticky. Okay. My arms are getting really tired. Oof. I don't really measure my slime ingredients. If you're new and you want to make sure that you don't waste anything, then sure, I would measure it. But if you've made slime a couple of times, I wouldn't measure it. Okay. It's becoming less sticky, to be honest, which is good. Now we're going to put it in the bowl and get all the glue off the sides, if it will. Okay. Ooh, my arms are really tired. I think we might be done. Well, because it's quite rippy right now, but it's also sticky. Okay, it's quite stretchy. Oh no, oh no. Okay. It's kind of cool though, it's like crystally. Especially when you put light towards it. Ooh. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, I'm gonna put it back in the bowl. Well, pot. Ooh. And then I'll put a little bit more activator in it. Oh no, this is very sticky. Do you know what? I'll just put the tinciest bit. Okay, there we go. That should be enough. I hope it's enough. Okay, and now we mix. Okay. let's just mix. I'll probably end this video here because I don't really think you want to see me mix it and knead it. But in another video I will show you the end version of it. So bye, remember to like if you like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.